Hello everyone, myself Dr. Devjyoti Shaha. This is the introductory lecture for my new channel Simple Basic Physics cum Geophysics Learning with Devjyoti. So before talking about the subject and the channel, what it is delivering, first of all, let me introduce myself. I have pursued my MSc in Physics, thereafter PhD in Plasma Physics, uh, Nonlinear Dynamics, and corresponding data analysis. After that, I have joined as a geophysicist by UPSC exam and now working as a geophysicist in Geological Survey of India. So, as a physicist and geophysicist, I'll be delivering my lecture on both of that. Now, the first you should think what the subject geophysics actually. The physics things most of the students know the subject about the physics, but what is geophysics? It is nothing but an application of physics in geology. How it will, what is the contents of the subject? So let me tell you, it is the main objective of the subject is to probe the earth. It is the application based subject. So the subject is very in that way, if you think of that, it is an application, it's a very rich phenomena of physics. Like you are having some methods like gravity method, magnetic method, electrical method, and seismic method. So seismic method is less like involves the reflection that you have read already about class 12 or class 11, and the gravity magnetic things already you are known, but just by applying this method you have to probe the earth. So you can imagine that how the subject is, how much of interesting is this subject. But to know that subject very well, you need to have a basic understanding of the physics, and if you know the mathematical formula and the physical concept of it, you can become a very good geophysicist and also a physicist. So to become a geophysicist, your physics knowledge is very essential. And so what my channel aims at, my channel is focused on giving and delivering lecture to all the students pursuing BSc in physics and thereafter MSc in physics or geophysics. So they can gain knowledge and they will be ready for any kind of competitive exams. Like in physics there is a Maxwell's equation is there, in geophysics that is also there, and some electrical methods is also prevalent there. And like a common phenomenon in geophysics is the magnetic field, the generation of magnetic field, which is related to the motion of the motion in the outer core, motion of the liquid. Okay, so that is a physical phenomena, and you need to know the basics, thorough physical knowledge of it. And I think this my knowledge of physics and geophysics will be beneficial for the students who are willing to give any kinds of competitive exams. Like after the BSc they can pursue a career in as a geophysicist in ISM Dhanbad or IIT Kharagpur or anywhere else, and also they can have a research experience because the field is very open, and you can, if you do the research work very well, there is so much of phenomena, so much of openings in it as an interdisciplinary subject. So I think friends, you have already gained knowledge and idea of what type of topics I will be delivering. And besides giving lectures on the geophysicist, I'll be giving also the lectures of physics and what are the associated physical phenomena that and if needed I will also provide numerical equations and mathematical equations, experimental setup, how. So based on that, my lectures are all will be arranged one by one, but my first lecture will be on the basics geophysical techniques and the introduction to earth science, so that you will have a clear understanding and the clear idea of what I am going to deliver to you. Okay, so friends, you can already gain knowledge of what the subject is, and if you want you can also pursue a career and can have a PhD and can have a doctorate on it or have a job in it. There's so many opportunities are there in IIT Kharagpur, in ISM Dhanbad, in IIT Roorkee. You can also read geophysics and pursue career. And later there are so many jobs in that, like in ONGC you can have, in geological survey you can appear for the job as a geophysicist, or you can also do PhD in that subject. This is also very rich, this is a very rich subject, as I already have described, and so much of openings are there to the knowledge of seismic is a very powerful method to probe the earth. So if you know, there are deeper, if you go deeper inside the techniques, you will learn to how to look the things very well, and how can just implement your knowledge of physics in geophysics to become a very good geoscientist. So friends, let's rock together to the world of geoscience, physics, geophysics. And if you really like my lectures, and if you gain or benefits, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.